ako ang nabiktima. Tinakbo namin sila sa ospital. Pero nawalan kami ng pag-asa dahil sira-sira ng mga ospital at hindi na makapagbigay serbisyo sa mga taong naagapan sana mga anak ko.
Nagising ako. Nagliliparan ng yero ng ospital na kung saan ako na-confine. Nakaka-stress, nakaka-trauma. Mas lalong lumala ang pakiramdam ko. Nakakalungkot at nakadismaya lang. Na kung saan akala mong pinakaligtas na lugar, yung pala delikado rin.
The importance of hospitals, health facilities, and health services as a community lifeline, both in normal times and in times of crisis, cannot be emphasized enough. The Department of Health has been an active proponent of the campaign since it started in 2008, and since then has been working with partners such as the WHO in various activities throughout the campaign. The initiative began through the assessment of the safety of existing hospitals. 25 tertiary hospitals in the National Capital Region were assessed, and recommendations for possible action were devised. Currently, efforts are being taken to strengthen advocacy on capacity building. Safe Hospitals Training is utilizing a multidisciplinary approach. Training is focused on advocacy, leadership, and strategic planning.
The Department of Education is fully committed to monitor school building construction and make school buildings hazard resilient by strictly adhering to building codes and guidelines. We are committed to prepare designs of school buildings that are suited to areas prone to different kinds of hazards. We are committed to conduct regular assessment of the structural integrity and stability of existing structures used as school buildings and other educational facilities. We are committed to ensure proper maintenance as well as regular repairs of school buildings to make them conducive to teaching and learning activities. Our commitment extends to the retrofitting of school buildings that are recommended for repair and rehabilitation. We have developed manuals to aid our school personnel in raising awareness on having safe schools in partnership with local and international agencies. Through our lesson exemplars, we will mainstream disaster risk reduction in school. I have here, fresh from the printing press, examples of these exemplar lessons. And here, what I can show you is the mainstreaming disaster risk reduction in the Philippines. And we have started with the issuance of DepEd Order number 55, prioritizing mainstreaming of disaster risk reduction management in school system and implementation of programs and projects relative therefore.
The global launch of the 1 million safe schools and hospitals will focus on public awareness, emergency and disaster preparedness, and disaster risk reduction in both schools and hospitals, and the involvement of all concerned agencies will lead to increased awareness and a sense of ownership of the campaign.
I will continue to build disaster-safe hospitals.
Make designs that can withstand calamities.
Maintain basic services.
I can help in any way I can.